All right, giving myself a chance to record with some of this stuff. I have my looper. Do a lot of my stuff with my jam man. Digitech. I love you, Becky. Yes, I do. All you people over at Harmon and doing the thing with Digitech and all the rest of the great stuff. And then I was doing my research, checking out the Memory Boy by Electro Harmonics as well as the Bass 9. I have it set on virtual, and I'm trying to work in, like, I got my dry on all the way up. Effect very, very, it's like, 9 o'clock, And then I got my control 1 all the way up, and my control 2, like it's just very, very, maybe 1, and then and then I turn it on. I'm like, oh, let me record something, and yeah, yeah, makes for an interesting sound, Bass 9, Memory Boy. I love it.